Hey y'all, Wendy here from Around My Family Table, and it is a new month, which means we have a new Keto Chow surprise box, and I can't wait to unbox it for you and show you all the goodness that is inside of it. If we've never met before, I'm Wendy. I write Around My Family Table, and I have lost 90 pounds on a ketogenic diet, and I'm so happy to be partnering with Keto Chow. Finally, I've used Keto Chow since day one of my keto journey, and now I get to partner with them. So I'm so excited about that. Let's dig in. Let me show you this. So I haven't opened the box. I haven't even taken a peek yet, but there we go. Let me see if I can get this for you. There it is. This is March 2023, and here we go. Blueberry pie, which I think I said last month, it is my absolute favorite. I have a recipe for like a blueberry pie cheesecake mousse. It is to die for. I'll link it below. Chocolate, you can never go wrong with just plain chocolate. Mocha, another good one. I like to mix this with coffee. Banana, I make pudding out of the banana and it is delicious. Add some high key vanilla wafer cookies. It's like banana pudding. Savory chicken soup. This is what I actually just used for the recipe for the reel that I posted today. The recipe is on my website, and I also made a reel. You have to check out the recipe for the chicken and dumplings. Oh, 2 cookies and cream. Delicious. Irish cream. That's another good one to mix with coffee. Oh, there's 2 of those as well. 2 Irish creams. And what everybody always wants to know is what the big bag is. And this month, March, is salted caramel. So good. This is very versatile. It makes delicious ice cream, just regular shakes, all sorts of goodness. And then let me show you the recipe cards that come with the kit. All right, here we go. And it always uses what comes in the box. So cookies and cream icebox cake, Irish cream bonbons, German chocolate cake, Keto Chow fried chicken. Oh my gosh. I wonder if you can use the air fryer. That I can't wait to try. And last but not least, caramel crock-pot rice pudding. I wonder what they use for the rice. Let's see if they use rice or they use the shirataki rice. So it's still low carb. That is the Keto Chow box for this month. So if you're new to Keto Chow, it is a nutritionally complete meal replacement. They make delicious shakes. You add your fat of choice, either butter or avocado oil or heavy whipping cream. I prefer the butter. It makes it taste kind of like melted ice cream. And the subscription box, if you order it, you get it on a monthly basis, and it's 20% off the normal price. And it is 30 meals all in one box, and it is a great savings if you're looking to save a little bit of money. And that's it for this month. I hope you enjoyed this Keto Chow unboxing video, and I hope to see you next month. Thanks.